Okay, so today we do the fun part. Fun part, the roof. Jax is here, Fritz will be out in a minute. Do you have something you want to tell these people?
Steve, I think this is a good time to let you know that I'm afraid of heights. And I'm going on the roof.
Yes, he is, because he's the youngest, he heals faster. All right, so I'm going to set the time lapse up, and you can watch us being daredevils up there. All right, so here's the lifting crew. That's the ground crew. And you can hear above, we are about to lift the last panel. And I have to watch my head here. And then we got Fritz. Fritz is the roof crew. And there's the lifting crew again. And a beautiful view from the roof that we'll never see again once this is done.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Oh, I gotta duck under this. The way we've been doing this, and I can't film it.
Well, we'll simulate it.
He lifts this up, I grab it, he lifts it up higher. And we slide it up on the roof, trying not to knock Fritz off and get it all in place and attach it. So I'm going to set you down while we do this.
There we go. Hey guys, I'm down here on the ground. My fear of heights got the best of me. Steve's taking a leak. Anyways, we're just going to explain, or show you rather, how we've been putting these things up. We got Fritz on the roof. But I guess we already went over that, so we're just gonna put it like so. Actually, let's get you a better view.
That's a good angle.
They could see you and Steve and me.
Yep. Hey Jax, when we put this one up, let's try to get 2 of these ribs covered.
Okay.
That way it's easier for him to finagle it over to me so I can bring it up.
Okay, great. Let him know when he comes up.
I will.
The key to building a barn is communication.
Easier to swing it over. Oh, yeah, that's right, because you got to reach over to the side of it. Yeah. Okay, never mind then.
Ready?
Yep.
Well, I mean, I'm going to, once I get it up here,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to shift it over.
Okay.
That's when I'm really trying to control an angle, because I'm like that.
Okay. Yeah, so do it as normal, Jax.
Okay.
Yeah. Can't really reach it over there. Short arms, I forgot.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Ready, lifting. Okay, that's it. Okay, I got two. Sorry. Explain to the camera how big these are. That's why I'm
These I think are 20 footers. That's what Fritz was saying.
okay.
I gotta go inside and tell him it's all. Oh, usually I go inside and tell him if it's leveled at the top or correctly placed over. But he's up there. Well, let's go inside so we can see. And I'll go outside and tell him if it's on.
Go ahead and line it down there. If you can.
Drip edge towards me, 2 inches. All right.
Steve, say hi to the camera.
Huh?
Hi, Steve.
Last panel.
Yeah.
So, these panels are 18 feet long.
Hey,
Yeah.
can you push the bottom of the panel towards the rear of the building a little bit, please? It's cooking. There you go. Good. A little bit more.
It's right on the.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
So anyway, they're 18 feet long. Walls are 14, so they're only sticking up 4 feet. So to overbalance it, we got to get it up 5 feet, which is Jack's lifting it as high as he can before I grab it. I got it. Bend over backwards and get it on the roof. Just these last two, Fritz was up there to help guide it because normally I could take this up and screw them in along, at least along the two, along one at this edge. But obviously this doesn't fit through that crack. So, the roof's up, just trim left to do, and
Roof cap.
I'll see you on the next one. All right, so we got the all the rest of the roof panels up, as you just saw. The battery and the cameras died, so I don't get enough. But you know, once you saw me put up this side, or us put up this side, it didn't matter to do this side. So, and we're doing those last panels. Swept out all the dust, and when the wind came up, this is what blew back in. So, until I get a door up here, it's going to be a constant battle keeping the dust out. I did use some of that mouse deterrent foam, sprayed it down into each of these channels. That'll seal it up pretty good. It's not, it doesn't puff up like great stuff, and it's just basically a layer, because there's that little crack, and it's not poison, it's a something that they really don't like. So it's a deterrent. Out here, we've got little mice and we got pack rats. And I'm gonna try everything I can to keep them out of here when I'm gone. So I'm gonna try all kinds of different deterrents. But anyway, like I said, next thing, I gotta put the peak and I gotta put the trim along the edge there, along the gable ends. We'll get this building all sealed up as best as possible. And I think I'm gonna let you go. This is the end of this video. And then the next one, hopefully I can get the camera up there and we will get some footage of how I gotta do all that. But gonna try to work fast and safe. I don't know if I mentioned, some of these panels up here still need some screws in the middle to hold them down. We got as much as we could before it started getting hot. It got like 100 degrees here today, so there's no way any of us wanted to be up on the roof for that. But tomorrow morning it'll be in the 60s at 6, so get out here first thing and go like crazy. All right, see you later, my friends. Take care.